Welcome ladies and gentlemen in Smart Bus Generation 4. Today we talk about how you can create your sequence, which is set of scene. That means you need to create your scene first before you create your sequence. And to do that, go first to choose your dimmer or relay, it's up to you. I'll choose my dimmer here. Go to scene. Check, I already made my areas of my scene. I have in scene number 1 two channels, all of them two channels. Channel number 1 off, channel number 2 on, and scene number 2 both of them on 30%. I've got the sequence, what I have here. Choose first area number 1. I have in sequence, I will create my sequence. I'll choose first from here. I have here 12 steps, and in sequence number 1 I have 3. Why? Because I put in step totality 3. I can change it from sequence. I can put 4, save, exit. Now I have 4 steps before instead of 3. Put it back, I'll put it 3, save, exit. Here what I have in step number 1 I have scene number 1, step number 2 I have scene number 2, and step number 3 I have scene number 0. It's up to me. I can change between them by going to step. I can choose any scene I want, and I will choose the timing 2 seconds between each one of them. 2 seconds, save, exit. By this way I can choose about time, how many times you want to repeat these scenes together, how many times you want. For example, if I put 2, that means 1, 2, 3, then come back again 1, 2, 3. Here about the mode forward, that means I start by step number 1, then 2, then 3. If I choose backward, I will choose the system will start by 3, 2, 1, and so on. Close. I want now to activate this scene, this sequence, which is sequence number 1. I will choose DDB or zigzag. I will choose now DDB. Go to the DDB, go to button assignation. I will choose button number here, just remark. I'll choose button number 1. The device ID, which is my dimmer, which is 62. Type must be sequence switch. Parameter 1, which area? I choose already area number 1. Parameter 2 must be here. Choose which sequence. I will activate sequence number 1. Save and exit. Now let's check our DDB, which is here button number 1 from page number 1. If you notice here, I go now, it's loading. Now let's check here. Now this step number 1, then step number 2, then step number 3 this first time. Now second time, step number 1 again, step number 2 again, step number 3 again, and we finish the sequence. By this way we create the sequence. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.